we're now going to have a little fun with it because that capital letter, because we're sort of doing it with that Gregorian kind of feel to it, we're going to actually add a Google font to it. So we're going to go to Google Fonts. And because we are looking at things and we can have it pretty, it's a single letter, it's going to be easy to read no matter what we do, we can really go with display. Take off that. Oh, come on. Okay. And then I'm going to type in A, capital A, so I can see what they look like. I'm going to roll down and I'm going to find something that I like a lot. Lobster 2 is always an old favorite. Ooh, monotone. Ooh, boy, it's a tough one today. Who's going to come home with me today? I'm going to go with, boy, can't decide. This is always my worst problem is I love me a good font. I'm going to go with Lobster 2. A classic. All right, and I want it bold. And I'm going to select this style. Now what we're going to do is we're going to not download it, we're going to embed it. All right. So embedding it does two things. This is the link, so this will only work when it's attached to the web. And this over here is where you put the CSS rule. So we'll start with the CSS rule. We're going to copy it. We're going to roll it over here. And we're going to put it in our big text. And notice what it's doing. It's giving you a font family, Lobster 2. Can't find it. We're going to put in cursive. All right. It's not attached to the web. The next thing that has to happen is you have to at all times put this one in. This bad boy goes into your head. So we can put this right in. The CSS is in the head, but this isn't a different thing in the head. So we're going to walk this down and we're going to put it after the style and we're going to put it in the head. All right. Now, if the gods are kind, which we know they are capricious, we should be able to do this and have it change. Okay? So that's how you add a Google font and get something fun. Now, I wouldn't have to work on getting these spacings right so they look right, but you get an idea of how that works.